Hey, Flurbert. Sanne here. So, you want to do something with materials? Well, I got you. What you basically want to do is make a material and call it whatever you want. I will call it emissive because Unreal Engine 5 is really cool with emissive materials, and we're going to make an emissive material. But it doesn't have to be emissive. That's the nice thing. Because we're converting everything to parameters. So, how to get this? Just hit 3 on your keyboard and then click, and you will get this thing. And for those other thingies, you have to press 1 and just click. And the multiply is just right click and multiply. That's how it works in Material Editor. Yeah, this is good. Now, one more. I want to have roughness. Roughness is an important value to have in your basic material. And hook up the roughness with the roughness and the color with the base color. Now, pure black doesn't work very well, so I suggest you choose a nice color you like. And then you will put the color into the multiply and emissive constant into the B side of the multiply, and then the metallic into the metallic. Basically, what you want to do now is line this up. Yes, line this up, and then put in some default values like 0, 0, 100 for the emissive, and a value between 0 and 1 for the roughness and the metallic, because that's how Unreal Engine works. Now you yoink this material into your thing and look how beautiful it is, but it's not working yet. No, that's because the material instance, you have to enable the emissive by just sliding up the emissive. And look at it, it's glowy, it's very beautiful, and let's put it in a level, and oh, it's so beautiful. This Flurbert out. Bye.